Welcome to our guide on how to use Google Ads without wasting money. If you're new to digital advertising or looking to optimize your campaigns, this video will walk you through proven strategies to maximize your budget and get real results. Google Ads can be a powerful tool, but without the right approach, it's easy to overspend and see little return. Let's start by understanding the basics of Google Ads and why careful planning is essential for success. Before launching any campaign, it's crucial to define your objectives. Are you aiming for more website traffic, increased sales, or greater brand awareness? Setting clear goals helps you measure success and avoid spending on irrelevant clicks. By knowing exactly what you want to achieve, you can tailor your ads and budget to support those outcomes. This clarity will guide every decision you make in Google Ads. Knowing your target audience is key to effective advertising. Google Ads allows you to segment users based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. By focusing your ads on people most likely to convert, you reduce wasted spend and improve your return on investment. Take time to research your audience and use Google's targeting tools to reach them efficiently. Keywords are the foundation of Google Ads. Choosing the right keywords ensures your ads appear to people searching for your products or services. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner to find high-intent keywords with reasonable competition. Avoid broad or generic terms that can drain your budget quickly. Focus on keywords that match your goals and audience. Your ad copy should be clear, relevant, and engaging. Highlight unique selling points and include a strong call to action. Well-written ads attract clicks from people genuinely interested in your offer, reducing wasted spend. Test different headlines and descriptions to see what resonates best with your audience. Great ad is only effective if your landing page delivers. Make sure your landing page matches the ad's promise and provides a seamless user experience. Fast loading times, clear messaging, and easy navigation are essential. An optimized landing page increases conversions and ensures your ad spend isn't wasted. Set a realistic budget based on your goals and expected returns. Start small and scale up as you see positive results. Monitor your daily and monthly spend to avoid overspending. Google Ads offers tools to help you control costs and track performance, so use them to stay within your budget. Negative keywords prevent your ads from showing for irrelevant searches. By adding negative keywords, you filter out unwanted traffic and save money. Regularly review your search terms report to identify and exclude keywords that don't align with your goals. Ad extensions enhance your ads with extra information like site links, call buttons, or location details. These features make your ads more visible and useful, increasing click-through rates without extra cost. Take advantage of all relevant ad extensions to maximize your ads' effectiveness. Regularly check your campaign performance using Google Ads analytics tools. Track metrics like impressions, clicks, conversions, and cost per acquisition. Monitoring helps you spot trends, identify issues, and make informed adjustments to improve results and reduce wasted spend. A/B testing involves running different versions of your ads to see which performs best. Test headlines, descriptions, and visuals to optimize your campaigns. Use the results to refine your ads and focus your budget on what works, minimizing wasted spend. Geo-targeting lets you show ads to users in specific locations. By focusing your budget on areas where your customers are, you avoid spending on irrelevant regions. Adjust your location settings to match your business needs and maximize your ad impact. Google Ads allows you to target users based on their device, desktop, mobile, or tablet. Analyze which devices drive the best results and allocate your budget accordingly. Device targeting helps you reach your audience where they're most active and avoid wasted spend. Ad scheduling lets you choose when your ads appear. Run ads during peak hours when your audience is most likely to engage. Avoid showing ads at times with low activity to save money. Use Google Ads scheduling tools to optimize your campaign timing. Remarketing targets users who have already interacted with your website or ads. By re-engaging these users, you increase the chances of conversion and make better use of your ad spend. Set up remarketing lists and tailor your ads to bring visitors back. Quality score is a Google Ads metric that measures the relevance and quality of your ads, keywords, and landing pages. Higher quality scores lead to lower costs and better ad placements. Focus on improving ad relevance, keyword selection, and landing page experience to boost your quality score. Conversion tracking lets you measure the actions users take after clicking your ads. Set up conversion tracking to understand which campaigns drive results and which need improvement. This data is essential for optimizing your budget and eliminating wasted spend. Automated bidding uses Google's algorithms to adjust your bids for maximum results. Choose bidding strategies that align with your goals, such as maximizing conversions or targeting a specific cost per acquisition. Automated bidding can help you save time and avoid manual errors, but monitor performance to ensure it's working for you. Many advertisers waste money by neglecting key steps like keyword research, audience targeting, and performance monitoring. Stay vigilant and review your campaigns regularly. Learn from common mistakes and apply best practices to keep your budget in check and your results on track. Google Ads is not a set-and-forget platform. Continuously analyze your data, test new strategies, and refine your campaigns. The digital landscape changes quickly, so ongoing improvement is key to staying competitive and avoiding wasted spend. Use Google Ads without wasting money. Focus on clear goals, targeted keywords, compelling ads, and ongoing optimization. Monitor your campaigns, learn from your data, and adapt to changes. With these strategies, you can maximize your budget and achieve meaningful results. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Google Ads journey.